Due to recently update on 1688 shopping app, there was an option that allow you to pay on delivery or you buy now and pay later on 1688 shopping app. So if you really want to know and how you can use this option, consider to watch this video. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, on Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number on the screen right here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to use the option of pay later on 1688 shopping app. This is very much possible. So let's go. So right here, just like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you how to use the option of pay later on 1688 shopping app. All right, so we are going to use these items as an example. Ordinarily, not every supplier on 1688 shopping app allow this option of pay later when you place order on 1688 shopping app. And this pay later option allow you to pay within the period of about 3 months or something before you can pay when you place an order. So we are going to use this item as an example. So right here, I have some slippers right here. So we're going to add this item to cart right now. So I'm going to click on here to add the item to cart. So for instance, I need this color size 35. I need this black color. I need size 39. So need just two. Then I'm going to click on here to add the item to cart. Having had the item to cart, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to check out my cart. All right, so we have the item in the cart right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the items. Having selected the item, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. All right, so for every supplier or every seller that allow you to pay on delivery or you pay later on 1688, you are going to have these three options right here. All right, you're going to have these three options at the checkout. Now, it is now left to you to choose the option whether you want to pay later or you want to pay on delivery. So this is very much possible now on 1688 as a result of new update that was introduced on 1688 shopping app. All right, so right now, so I want to use the option of pay on delivery, all right, or pay later. So for you to use these options, what thing you need to do is to switch to this option right here. So for you to do that, just tap on here. So having clicked on that, then you can see we are paying 27 yuan right now. We are paying 27 yuan. But when we go to the option of Alipay, we are paying the same amount, right? Now, the option of payment on delivery or pay later, so it's still the same amount. So I'm going to select that option. So we are paying the sum of 27 yuan on a pay on delivery or pay later. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. So at this point here, we are still going to have a discount of 7 yuan. You can see the original price right here is 27 yuan. But when we are paying on delivery or we are paying later, this is similarly applied to Chinese citizen, I think. So you are paying 20.12 yuan on delivery or you pay later. Now, this is the agreement that binds this particular option. So you have to click on here to accept the option. You have to click on here. So this simply means that you have agreed to the terms of this service and you will be asked to make payment between 4 days as at the time of you submitting this offer right here. So we have to make the payment within these 4 days. So it can either be payment on delivery or you can pay later using these particular options right here. So once you are able to, once you agree with the terms of service, right? So next thing you want to do is to click on here to submit the order to the supplier. So once you submit the order to the supplier, then the supplier will send the item to you and it's now left to you to pay on delivery or you pay later within 4 days of placing the order. This is a new feature that is likely work for people that reside in China when they are trying to place order on 160. So this is what I have for you as far as pay later or payment on delivery when you are shopping on 1688 app is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big like and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation tutorial like this about China importation and some other country importation. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or I Do Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.